Everyone, today from your Deodrop Term Book 3, we will start a new chapter number 3, measurement. In this chapter, we will learn about how to measure length, weight and capacity. Length basic unit is meter, weight's basic unit is gram and capacity basic unit is liter. Okay, so by multiplying by 10 or by dividing by 10 and so on and so forth, we will change the units, but the measurement will remain same. Okay, now for example, you have to learn this kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi, millimeter. You have to learn this in this order only. I will repeat: kilo, hecto, deca, meter or liter or gram, deci, centi and milli. Okay, these are all the prefix. The suffix is written here. These are all the prefix. Okay, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, then only meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. You might have been aware of 3 units or basically 4 units. Kilometer you might have listened, meter, centimeter or millimeter. Similarly, kilogram, gram, centigram or milligram. But here 3 units are new to you, so you may have to focus upon them: hecto, deca and deci. These are basically 3 units which are new. I hope you might be knowing kilogram, or you might have listened centimeter or milliliter. You might have been going through it in your day-to-day life. Now in order to convert them, please see, in order to convert them, we will multiply 10. We will multiply 10 in order to convert meter into decimeter. Okay, in order to convert meter into centimeter, we have to multiply with 100 or 2 times 10. 10 into 10 is 100. Okay, in order to convert meter into milliliter, we have to multiply with 1000. Then only it will come in millimeters. Similarly gram, similarly liter. Now going upwards or going in the bigger units, in order to convert meter into decameter, we will divide by 10. In order to convert meter into hectometer, we will divide by 100. In order to convert meter into kilometer or gram into kilogram or liter into kiloliter, we will divide by 1000. Okay, so all these questions will come. It is not important that only meter to hecto or meter to centi or this will come. It can come in any ways, like convert deci into hecto or centi into kilo or kilo into milli or kilo into deca. Anything will come. So you have to learn the basics which are being written here. I will also share with you this diagram. I will also share with you in the form of PDF. Now see, measurement of length is given. See, here it is also given: divide by 10 if the units are getting bigger. If you are moving in this side, if you are moving in this side, then divide. Then if you are moving this side, then multiply, which I have explained you earlier. Now measurement of length, measurement of gram or weight, I have told you that these are only the prefix: kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi and milli. All others basic units are the suffix: meter, meter, gram, gram. Okay, like this. Like for example, here also it is given measurement of capacity. Similarly, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, deciliter. Okay, thank you. That's it for today.